cooking fam. Merry Christmas to you and your family from the Jamaican cooking journey. I hope that you will have a blessed day. Happy cooking, happy eating. Remember to embrace the fam bam. Family is everything. And sometimes it is so sad that we can't always say blood is family, but whoever you have as your family, whoever you consider to be your family, just embrace them. Enjoy the time that we have. Because some of us, sometimes we are so busy with ups and downs and our jobs and everything, we don't get time until like it's Christmas or so to come and have a good time. Have a good time, cook happily, eat happily. Thanks. It's the seventh year. This is the seventh Christmas I'm spending with you all. And I just want to say thank you to those who have started this cooking journey with me and you're still here watching my videos. Thanks to those who came along. Thanks to those who are making this journey so special. I just want to say, hats off to you. Thanks for everything. I couldn't have done it without you. So we look forward to, with God's blessing in the year ahead, we look forward to testing the waters more with our Jamaican cuisine, coming up with original recipes and all of that. And once more, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy.